Hello all you super geniuses out there. Welcome to another video lecture from Super Genius 99. Today we'll be working on some Python flashcards. Bug. An error in a program. Debugging. The process of finding and correcting bugs. Floating point. A type that represents numbers with fractional parts. Formal language. Any one of the languages that people have designed for specific purposes, such as representing mathematical ideas or computer programs. All programming languages have formal languages. High-level language. A programming language like Python that is designed to be easy for humans to read and write. Integer. A type that represents a whole number. Interpreter. A program that reads another program and executes it. Low-level language. A programming language that is designed to be easy for a computer to run, also called machine language or assembly language. Natural language. Any one of the languages that people speak that evolved naturally. Parse. To examine a program and analyze the syntax structure. Portability. A property of a program that can run on more than one kind of computer. Print statement. An instruction that causes Python interpreter to display a value on the screen. Problem solving. The process of formulating a problem, finding a solution, and expressing it. Program. A set of instructions that specifies a computation. Prompt. Characters displayed by the interpreter to indicate that it is ready to take input from the user. String. A type that represents sequence of characters. Syntax. The rules that govern the structure of a program. Token. One of the basic elements of the syntax structure of a program, analogous to a word in a natural language. Type. A character values the type we have seen so far are integers, type int, floating point numbers, float type, and strings, type str. That concludes these slides/flashcards of Python. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.